Sorghum is a genus of grasses with about 30 species, one of which is raised for grain and many of which are used as fodder plants either cultivated or as part of pasture. The plants are cultivated in warm climates worldwide. They are native to the tropics and subtropics of the Old World and one species is endemic to Mexico. A number have been introduced into other parts of the world. Sorghum is in the subfamily Panicoideae and the tribe of Andropogoneae. Cultivation and uses. One species, sorghum bicolor, native to Africa with many cultivated forms now, is an important crop worldwide, used for food, fodder, the production of alcoholic beverages, and biofuels. Most varieties are drought and heat tolerant, and are especially important in arid regions, where the grain is one of the staples for poor and rural people. These varieties form important components of pastures in many tropical regions. Sorghum bicolor is an important food crop in Africa, Central America, and South Asia and is the fifth most important cereal crop grown in the world. Some species of sorghum can contain levels of hydrogen cyanide, hordenin and nitrates lethal to grazing animals in the early stages of the plant's growth. When stressed by drought or heat, plants can also contain toxic levels of cyanide and/or nitrates at later stages in growth. Another sorghum species, Johnson grass, is classified as an invasive species in the U.S. by the Department of Agriculture. Broomcorn, Sorghum vulgar technicum is commonly called broomcorn. An annual grass like other sorghums, it grows 6 to 15 feet tall, although dwarf varieties are only 3 to 7 feet in height. The upper peduncle is normally 8 to 18 inches long, topped by a branched inflorescence or panicle, from which the seed-bearing fibers originate. The fibers are usually 12 to 24 inches long but can be up to 36 inches long. They are branched toward the tip where the flowers and seed grow. The seeds number about 30,000 per pound, with feed value similar to oats. A ton of the fibrous panicle makes 900 to 1200 brooms. Plants selected for long panicle branches probably originated in Central Africa, but the variety was known to be used for broom making in the Mediterranean in the Dark Ages. It was first described in Italy in the late 1500s. Species. Hybrids, Sorghum, Almum, Sorghum, Drummondii, see also, 3-deoxyanthocyanidin, Apigenanidin, Baijiu, Chinese alcoholic beverage distilled from sorghum, list of antioxidants in food, millet, pusher Europol technology pest control strategy for maize and sorghum, references. Watson, Andrew M. Agricultural Innovation in the Early Islamic World, The Diffusion of Crops and Farming Techniques, 700 to 1100. Cambridge, Cambridge University Press, 1983. ISBN 0-521-24711-X. External links, Species Profile Johnson grass, National Invasive Species Information Center, United States National Agricultural Library. Lists general information and resources for Johnson grass. FAO report sorghum and millets in human nutrition, sorghum on U.S. Grains Council website, National Sweet Sorghum Producers and Processors Association, Sweet Sorghum Ethanol Association, Organization for the Promotion and Development of Sweet Sorghum as a Source for Biofuels, especially ethanol, milo, grain sorghum, cyanide and nitrate in sorghum crops, Managing the Risks.